Alright guys, we are going to continue with 6.5 where we were talking about percent proportion problems. Today we're going to be doing word problems that deal with percent. We're going to talk about interest problems, tip problems, and discount problems. These are problems that you will have in everyday life, okay? So first of all, let's talk about what is interest. Interest is the percent of money you earn from letting other people use your money. For instance, if I lend my sister $40 and I say, yes, you can pay it back to me, but I'm going to charge you interest. So she's going to have to add a certain percent. So even though she borrows 40, she may have to pay me back in the year $45. When you put money in a bank, it goes in a savings account, and the bank pays you interest for letting them use their money. It's called interest. Um, Credit cards charge interest. You're using their money when you use a credit card, and they're going to charge you interest for letting you use their money. A tip you use all the time. It's a percent of money you give somebody for a service. Like a percent you might give to a waiter, or a percent you might give to um, somebody who cuts your hair, or a percent you might give to a bellhop at a hotel. That's a tip. And discount is the amount something is on sale. So if you go to the store and milk is 20% off, the discount is 20%. And those are the things we're going to talk about today. So go ahead and write those three definitions down because you will see them again if I didn't mention that a second ago. All right, here's an interest problem. I'm going to give you an example of an interest problem, a tip problem, and a discount problem. And you're going to have a practice problem of one of each kind. And then the next day in class, we'll actually have a sheet of these kinds of problems to be working on. Okay? So, an interest problem. James has $1,800 in his savings account at the bank. The bank pays 3% interest. How much money did James earn in interest in 1 year? Our first question. How much money did he earn in 1 year? And then the second question says, how much money does he have in his account after 1 year? Okay, so let's figure out. He has $1,800 and the bank's going to pay him 3%. That would be 3 over 100. And we want to find out what 3% of 1,800 looks like. So we're going to set up our problem. X is over 1,800 is the same as what X is will equal 3 over 100 or 3%. So if you cross multiply 1,800 times 3 equals 100 times X. 1,800 times 3, 0, 0, 8 times 3 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 5,400, and we're going equals 100x, divide both sides by 100, 0. We find out that in 1 year, $1,800 would make $54. So the answer to the first question, how much money did James earn in the 1 year? He earned $54. So that's the question to number one. Number two question says, how much money does he have in his account after 1 year? Well, he started with $1,800, right? And he earned $54. So how much money does he have at the end of the year? $1,854. All right? Okay, it's your turn. Read the problems. Katrina's invested $1,550 in Apple stock. Apple paid 11% earning this year. How much money did Katrina earn? So you're going to figure out 11% of 1,500, all right? So she's going to make some money when she invested in Apple stock, but she also invested in Toyota stock, which took a downfall this year because of the tsunami. So she invested $575 in her Toyota stocks. These earnings lost 12%. How much money did she lose? How much money does she have in Toyota Okay, I want you to try both of those problems. Pause it, do the work, set up both. You'll have two problems set up for this one. And when you finish, then continue the lesson. Okay, now we have a tip problem. A tip problem, right? The service, the money you're going to give somebody for the service they give you. Rob and Tim went to Jalapenos for dinner. Dinner cost $28. They want to leave a 15% tip. What was the total cost of their dinner? Well, for step number one, we're going to have to figure out what a 15% tip is. All right. Well, if the dinner cost $28 and they left a 15% tip, this is how we write 15%, 15 over 100. What part of 28 is that? Cross multiply, and you'll find out that, oh, I'm going to have to do some log to 28. I don't have my calculator, so you'll have to bear with me. 28 times 15, right, guys? 28 times 15 equals 100 over x. So 8 times 5 is 40, carry your 4, 2 times 5 is 10, 14 plus 28. Add it up, we get 0, 12, 42. So 420 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100, right? X equals $4. And they're going to leave with $4.20. But the question was, what was the total cost of their dinner? Well, the dinner was $28, right? And the tip we'd have to add on to that was $4.20. And you add those two together, and you get 8 and 4 is 12, carry your 1, $32.20. This was the total cost of their dinner. All right, here's one for you that has a tip. Jessica and Rachel each had the special at Moe's Diner for lunch. The special was $8.50 each. Both ordered a soda, which was $1.50 each. They left a tip of 20%. How much tip did they leave? How much tip did they leave? All right. So you're going to have to figure out how much dinner cost first. How do you figure out how much dinner cost? You figure that out. That's the first step. And then you're going to have to figure out what 20% of the cost of dinner was. All right? Okay, pause it, do the word problem, and then show all your calculations. I don't want to see a single number at the end that you punched a bunch of numbers into a calculator. I want to see how you solve this problem. All right? Everybody hear me out there? You know who I'm talking to, right? All right. Show your work, and then when you're finished, start this video back up. Okay, the last type of problem is discount problem. Gap is having a sale on jeans. All jeans are 35% off. If a pair of jeans cost $45.99 originally, how much will the discount be? How much will the discount be? How much will the sale price be? So we have two questions. We know it's 35% off, which is the same as 35 over 100, right, guys? Okay. And the original price of the jeans is $45, that's right, and 99 cents. We want to know how much is discounted. How much are they going to take off of that original price? And you'll have to, I'm going to get a calculator here. Okay, found a calculator. I'm back, found a calculator. And we're going to have to do 35 times 45, 99 equals 100. So we cross multiply. All right. And we find out clear 35 times 45.99 is 1609.65 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100, and you find out that x equals what? $16, and I'm going to round it, and 10 cents. 16.0965, right? Rounds to $16.10. So that's the discount. What will be the new, but how much will the sale price be? Well, if the original price was $45.99, that's the original, and you subtract the discount, this is how much they're taking off the original price, which we now know is $16.10. The sale price is going to be what? $29.89. $29.89. Okay? So that is the sale price. All right. Here's a problem for you. You're buying a flat screen TV and they're all on sale this month for 1/3 off. 1/3 off is the same as 33%. 1/3 is the same as 33.3%. You want to buy a TV that originally cost $879. How much will you save? All right, show me your work, not just an answer, show me your work. And when you finish this problem, you have finished today's lesson. Where did my stop button go?